Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and clear chat in Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're simply going to go ahead and open up our Snapchat app. So once our Snapchat app is open, what we're going to do is, for us to delete our chat, what we're going to do, we're simply going to go ahead, tap on this message box icon given below. Here it will open up all of the chats and that we had with our friends and family over there in our Snapchat, right? So if we would like to remove a particular chat, or we would like to clear some particular chat, what we can do is, we can simply go ahead, tap on that person's chat, and we can simply go ahead, let's say we want to remove some chat, right? We can simply go ahead, long press on that chat. If you do that, we simply have this option called delete option. If we delete that chat will be deleted. I can simply delete my chat from over here. Again, confirm, it's removed, right? But if I would like to remove this chat wholly, like totally clear out from my chat section as well, what I can do is, I can simply go ahead, tap and press on that person. Now go to chat settings and I'll tap on this clear from chat feed, tap on clear confirmation, and that chat is now removed. That person is now removed from my conversation list as well. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.